Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing this blower motor on this 2013 Nissan Rogue. So I already see this one inside the car. So I'm hoping it's the right one. The customer bring it with the car. And so far it looks like it's the correct one right here. This is a part number. So those are all the numbers right here. And to remove it, guys, you don't need to remove this cover. So use a star pine screwdriver to remove the screw from under here, right out of the hole right there. To remove this panel as well. And I also remove this piece. And right here, guys, under right here, we're going to have to remove the pedal. So you have the brake pedal up here. I have to remove this piece so I can get the motor. I'm not sure, let me see. Also I'm going to have to remove the whole bracket right here. So these bolts, these nuts right here, they are 13 sockets used to remove them. So I'm going to remove all of them. You have to press these clips. These are clips right here. You have to squeeze and pull them out. Just like that. So squeeze this piece right here. Squeeze it in to get it out, guys. So when I get out this piece, I'm going to catch you back, guys, with the other part of the video. So make sure to remove the wire harness from the gas pedal right there. So black connector right there. And those two right here on the brake switch. So let me get out all those nuts and show you all of the nuts that I removed, guys. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I removed all the nuts that hold in the pedal. Show them, guys. So I got 4 of them right here on this clip. So I have to remove that pin. There's a pin right here inside the pedal. Oh, show this thing. Push this pin out. So there's a plastic clip on the end. Just gonna squeeze it in and push it through. Alright guys, so that's it right there. Take care of that plastic clip on the end, at the end of it, guys. Let's see if I can get this pedal out. See if there's anything else hold it. Okay, so this wire harness. This side. Alright guys, so I just get it out. I'll take out this piece. So I carry 4 bolts, one right there, 2 at this side, and 1 down right there. And let me see if I can see the motor now. Alright, so that's the blower motor, guys. Right there, carry one star pint screwdriver. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get the Alright guys, so I just removed this star pint screw from it, from the blower motor. I'm going to snap it out of the groove. That's it. So I remove the wire harness by pressing the clip at the side and slide it off. Let's see if I can. Alright guys, so I have to turn it to get it out of that groove. But I won't be able to video and use my hand at the same time, guys, so I'm going to show you when I get it out. Alright guys, so on the blower motor, you see this piece right here, guys. It's right here. I'm going to use a knife, a switchblade knife. This one perfectly fine. So you can get one of these switchblade, guys. And you see this piece, you're going to cut it off. Cut it completely off, just slice it off sideways. It's easy to cut off, guys. And then you're going to turn it this way. So it's set like this inside the car, so turn it this way, guys, and pull it out. So let me see if I can do it. Alright, there we go. Get it out of the groove. Just like that, guys. Just have to wiggle it out, guys. Alright guys, so I discovered that I did have to remove this nut from the booster as well. There's a nut right here. I have to remove it so I could be able to push this backward. So as soon as I push it in, I could be able to slide the blower motor in that groove. And also I bend back these in somewhere so I could get it in, guys. So that's it. It's in there. I just need to put it in that hole and twist it and put that screw right there, guys. So I hope this video helped you all out there who having the same issue with your car, your blower motor not working. AC working, but the no breeze from the vents. That's it, guys. This is the old one. Burnt up. Alright, guys. So if I find this very useful, guys, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.